Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your audio experience? Introducing the Skullcandy Aviator 900 ANC noise-canceling headphones, a game-changer in the world of sound. With its premium 6-mic adaptive noise cancelling, you'll feel like you're in a world of your own, where the only sound that matters is the one you want to hear. Thousands of customers have already fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. The reviews are glowing. Imagine sinking into your favorite song or movie with fully immersive, 360-degree sound, courtesy of THX Spatial Audio with head tracking. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, with sounds moving around you in a deeply realistic way. The ergonomic ear cups with memory foam adapt to your head, providing comfort that won't quit, no matter how long you're listening. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, the Aviator 900 ANC has got you covered. With up to 60 hours of battery life and rapid charge, you can keep going all day without interruption. And with wear detection, your audio will auto-pause when you take your headphones off and autoplay when you put them back on, so you'll never miss a beat. The Aviator 900 ANC is a cut above the rest, with its advanced noise cancelling and immersive audio. It's perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their listening experience and escape the distractions of the world. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can have the best? Try the Skullcandy Aviator 900 ANC noise-canceling headphones today and discover a whole new world of audio. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.